Imagine this. You close your laptop for the night, tuck yourself into bed, and drift off to sleep. When you wake up in the morning, you check your phone and see that money has appeared in your account while you were dreaming. That may sound like a fantasy, but thanks to artificial intelligence tools, it is more possible than ever. Welcome to Coincrafts, the channel where we explore clever strategies for building income streams online. In this video, we will walk through 7 powerful nighttime hacks that use artificial intelligence to generate passive income while you are fast asleep. Now, before we dive in, let's set the scene. Passive income is different from active income. Active income means trading your time for money, like working a job or freelancing. Passive income is money that continues to flow even when you are not directly working, often thanks to systems, automation, or digital assets. Artificial intelligence tools give us the power to build those systems much faster than before. Think of it as setting up little digital machines that keep running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So, let's start with the very first hack. The first hack is YouTube automation with artificial intelligence. Have you ever wondered how some channels publish daily videos without ever showing a face or recording their own voice? They are using automation tools like Pictory or InVideo. These platforms take text scripts and transform them into videos with stock footage, background music, and even voiceovers. Let's say you want to create a motivational channel. You can write or generate a short script using a tool like ChatGPT, then feed it into Pictory. The platform automatically pairs your text with engaging visuals and narration. Upload that to YouTube, and suddenly you have content ready to be monetized. Once your channel hits the requirements on 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can enable ads. From then on, every single view can bring in ad revenue. Imagine hundreds of people watching your video while you are asleep, each ad view adding a few cents to your balance. Over time, those pennies can turn into dollars, and those dollars can turn into hundreds. This is the beauty of automation. You set up the process once, and it keeps running. The second hack is launching a print-on-demand store powered by artificial intelligence design. In the past, if you wanted to sell t-shirts or mugs, you had to invest money upfront in inventory. Today, with services like Redbubble or Printify, you never touch the product. Here's how it works. You create designs using artificial intelligence tools like Midjourney or Sonya's AI design generator. You upload those designs to your print-on-demand account. Customers browse your online store, place orders, and the platform automatically prints, packs, and ships the products. You earn a percentage of the sale without handling the logistics. Picture this: you create a funny cat illustration before bed, upload it, and while you're asleep, someone across the world buys it as a hodiah. By the time you wake up, the order has already been processed, and your cut of the profit is waiting. Over weeks and months, down scenes where even hundreds of such sales can stack up, all while you sleep peacefully. The third hack is selling stock photography or digital artwork. Artificial intelligence tools like Stable Diffusion or DALL-E allow you to generate highly realistic images, fantasy art, or abstract backgrounds. Stock platforms such as Shutterstock and Adobe Stock are massive marketplaces where businesses, creators, and designers go to purchase images for their projects. Once you upload your artwork, every single download earns you a royalty. Imagine uploading a batch of 50 unique images. Even if each image only earns a few downloads per month, those small earnings across many images start to add up. It is like planting seeds. The more seeds you plant, the bigger your digital forest grows. The beauty here is that once your images are online, they continue to sell for months or even years without additional work. You could be traveling, napping, or binge-watching your favorite show while your portfolio quietly earns money. The fourth hack is publishing ebooks with the help of artificial intelligence. Writing an entire book may sound daunting, but with ChatGPT and similar tools, you can outline chapters, draft content, and refine language in a fraction of the time. Once your manuscript is ready, you can self-publish it using Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, also known as KDP. Here's the magic. Once your ebook is live on Amazon, it becomes available to millions of readers worldwide. Each time someone purchases your book, you earn royalties. Let's say you write a simple guide about productivity tips, or a short novel in a popular genre like romance or science fiction. Even if you only sell a few copies per day, those royalties arrive whether you are awake or asleep. Over time, if you publish multiple books, the income multiplies. It is not uncommon for authors to build entire side businesses this way, all thanks to artificial intelligence speeding up the writing process. The fifth hack is affiliate blogging powered by artificial intelligence. Blogging may sound like old-school internet business, but it remains incredibly powerful. The concept is simple. You create a blog on a platform like WordPress, then use tools like Jasper AI to generate well-written articles. Within your articles, you insert affiliate links. These are special links provided by companies like ClickBank or Digistory24 that track when someone makes a purchase through your referral. When readers click and buy, you earn a commission. Imagine publishing a blog post titled Top 10 Home Fitness Tools for Beginners. In that post, you describe products and include affiliate links. A reader stumbles across your article late at night, clicks through, and buys a product. You wake up the next morning to find a commission credited to your account. Multiply that by dozens of articles and hundreds of readers, and you have built a passive income engine that runs around the clock. The sixth hack is using artificial intelligence trading bots for cryptocurrency. Platforms such as Pionix and FreeCommas allow you to set up automated trading strategies. These bots buy and sell crypto based on algorithms you configure. While you sleep, the bot is awake, scanning markets, executing trades, and hopefully earning small profits. Of course, this method carries risk. Crypto markets are volatile, and bots can make mistakes if settings are not carefully adjusted. However, when done wisely, it can be an effective way to generate gains without constant monitoring. Think of it as hiring a digital assistant that never sleeps. While you rest, the bot is hustling. Just remember the golden rule: never invest more than you can afford to lose. The seventh hack is selling artificial intelligence-generated voiceovers and audiobooks. Tools like Murph AI and 11 Labs can create natural-sounding voices. With these, you can produce audiobooks, advertisements, or even character voices for video games. Platforms like ACX, Amazon's audiobook marketplace, allow you to publish your recordings for sale. Alternatively, you can offer custom voiceover gigs on freelance platforms like Fiverr. Imagine recording a 10-minute narration once, uploading it, and watching sales trickle in for months. You could also build a portfolio of voices in different niches: corporate training, storytelling, meditation guides, and more. Each new project becomes another stream of potential income, all while your computer does most of the heavy lifting. And now we reach the conclusion. Across these 7 hacks, the theme is clear: artificial intelligence allows us to create systems that keep working even when we stop. From automated videos to ebooks, from digital art to trading bots, the opportunities are vast. The most exciting part is that this field is still young. Every single year, artificial intelligence becomes more advanced, more accessible, and more profitable for everyday creators. So, which of these ideas excites you the most? Would you build a faceless YouTube channel, launch a print-on-demand shop, or maybe dive into affiliate blogging? I would love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below sharing which hack you are most likely to try first. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to Coincraft for more strategies on building passive income in the digital age. Hit that like button if you found value here, and tap the notification bell so you never miss our future uploads. Your support keeps us going and helps this community grow. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, remember, while you sleep, your computer could be working for you. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next video.